Question 13, we have two similar quadrilaterals. Now, the first thing that you know about similar shapes is that they have the same angles. So the first thing it asks you to do is find angle x. Well, because angle x corresponds to this 60 degrees, the angles are the same, so x is actually just 60 degrees. We're now asked to find y. Now, there's a couple of different ways that we can do this question. We can either use scale factors, or we can use the fact that corresponding sides are in the same ratio. Now, the scale factor that takes us from this shape to this shape is the length on the new shape, which is 4, divided by the length in the new shape, which is 5. In other words, 0.8. So all lengths to go from the left-hand one to the right-hand one are multiplied by 0.8. So if we want to find y here, the side corresponding to that here is 7.5. Y then is going to be 7.5 multiplied by 0.8, which comes out as 6. So y is 6 centimeters. Another way of thinking of the first question there is that corresponding sides are in the same ratio, which means that this side, y divided by 4, will be exactly the same as this one divided by this one, 7.5 divided by 5. If I now multiply both sides by 4, y is going to equal 7.5 over 5 multiplied by 4, which again comes out as 6 centimeters. It's another way of thinking of it. Okay, we're now asked to find z, and we know that lengths are multiplied. If we're going from the big shape to the smaller, lengths are multiplied by 0.8. If we're going back this way, then the lengths are going to be divided by 0.8. So if we want to find z here, well, z corresponds to 3. So to find z, we're going to do 3 divided by 0.8, which comes out as 3.75 centimeters. Again, another way of thinking of that, we could say that z divided by 3, so this side divided by this side, is going to equal two corresponding sides. Let's say 5 divided by 4. So z over 3 equals 5 over 4. And if we then multiply both sides by 3, z is going to equal 5 over 4 multiplied by 3. And that again comes out as 3.75 centimeters.